Using the AmEx Equinox credit card is a straightforward process that offers numerous benefits and rewards. To get started, you first need to apply for the card and receive approval from American Express. Once you have received your card, activate it by calling the phone number provided with your card or by using the American Express website. After activation, you can start using your AmEx Equinox credit card for purchases at any merchant that accepts American Express. This includes online retailers, brick-and-mortar stores, and restaurants. When making a purchase, simply present your card to the merchant and they will process the transaction. To earn rewards and benefits, use your AmEx Equinox credit card for all your daily purchases, including groceries, gas, and dining. The card offers a range of rewards, including points for every dollar spent, which can be redeemed for travel, gift cards, and other rewards. To manage your account and track your rewards, use the American Express website or mobile app. Here you can view your account balance, pay your bill, and redeem your rewards points. You can also set up account alerts and notifications to stay on top of your spending and rewards earnings. To get the most out of your AmEx Equinox credit card, make sure to pay your bill on time and in full each month to avoid interest charges. You should also take advantage of the card's benefits, such as travel insurance and purchase protection, which can provide added peace of mind when making purchases. In addition, consider using the American Express Rewards program to redeem your points for high-value rewards, such as travel or gift cards. You can also use the card's introductory offer, which may include a sign-up bonus or 0% introductory APR, to save money on interest charges and earn more rewards. Overall, using the AmEx Equinox credit card is a simple and rewarding process that can provide numerous benefits and rewards. By following these steps and taking advantage of the card's benefits and rewards, you can get the most out of your card and enjoy a more rewarding and convenient payment experience.